Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. To start this tutorial, open your Instagram application. Once you're in Instagram, click on your profile on the bottom right. In here, tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right once again, and then click on the gear icon that says Settings. Over at Settings, click on Help. Over at Help, you're going to tap on the following option, Report a Problem. In here, click on Include and Continue. In this place, you are going to report a problem. You can now add your very own statement, or you can follow what I said over here. There is also an option to include a screenshot or a video image that supports your cause or your case for Instagram to pinpoint your problem. Once done, all you have to do is click Send. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe to the channel.